Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and to carry on the theme of all the best savings that you can make this month, Synty Studios, which I'm sure you know these guys, they're a massive publisher on the Unity Asset Store, and they create stylized art packs, whether that be between characters or particular environmental props, and with over 70 specific art packs covering between cities, fantasies and sci-fi, they've got 50% off their entire catalogue and two particular 70% off flash deals, which are only there for a limited amount of users for their construction and their sci-fi space low poly art kit. Whether you're looking for anything, whether it's horror, sci-fi, fantasy, specific particles, specific environments for nightclubs, military shops, ancient empires, westerns, gangsters, farms, anything like that, a lot of these are mobile ready, with some packs which are for icons and smaller things, including their two brand new packs called the Polygon Street Racer and the Polygon Ancient Empires, and all of their assets do come with thousands of characters, props and different assets with visual effects very specific to the packs, whether it's vehicles, weapons and so much more, supported in URP and the standard render pipeline. And all characters are set up to work with Mechanim, don't come with any particular animations, so keep that in mind. So if there's something that you're looking for to prototype or start a game idea, these guys have you covered. So I'll put all the links down in the description, and I did feature the big massive Humble Bundle yesterday, which has over 1,000 hours of Unity tutorial content, as well as all the other great sales that I featured earlier this week, because you can make thousands of savings across loads of tools, loads of art, and all the things across the Unity Asset Store and game dev. So do let me know what you think and which of the packs you get hold of. Do come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 160 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Come and check out my great assets on the Unity Store and on my website for all the great discounts. Big thanks to all my patrons, including Peter Steiner, Hoglan Nigant, Raheem Whittaker, Jean Pomier, Manos Barakas, Terence Conrad, Walter Dunson, Joseph Newman, René Leisure, Topher Chambers, Kreshnik Halili, Benjamin Shankel, Alex Shen, Alyssa Faden, Daniel Gatajank, Ishkawa Takuya, Ron J. Hush, Thomas Marceleski, Nakatun, and Kyle Turnage. And thank you to everybody else for coming to watch. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.